This is Quentin with Living Wild Outdoors, and today, me, my wife, and my daughter are going to go canoeing down the Green River. We're going to start at Rio and go all the way down to Munfordville. We've never been down this stretch of the river, but it is 12 miles. We are going to see how long it takes us to go down that stretch by just taking it easy, not paddling too hard, just taking our time, all that good stuff, just to get a good indicator how long it'll take. So I'm guessing it depends on how fast the river's going. It could take 4 to 6 hours. So we will see, but we just wanted to make this simple little video. To be honest, not going to probably have much to it. Just kind of the overview of that stretch of the river, just in case you wanted to, if you're looking into maybe going down that stretch of river. So this will be part of it. I plan on doing more trips down other parts of the river, maybe even a big stretch of camping overnight and doing an overnight stay. I'll probably piddle with some fishing, but I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of fishing. So the river is up a little bit. Looks like it's flowing fairly quick. So I don't know how fishing will go. So anyways, stick with us and let's check it out. All right, hang on, we'll push you back, okay? Having fun, Molly? Yeah, we're going sideways now. The steer is horrible. I'll turn it. See the bottom right? Molly. Time for the sun. You're going the wrong direction. You're going the wrong direction. Helping? Actually, you're hurting. You're trying to slow us down. You're going the wrong direction. You're going the wrong direction. Little bitty one. It's up a little bit.
Molly, sit. You want your life jacket on? Okay.
But it's nowhere near what it was. Because it was extremely up this last week.
You're wanting to fish?
Oh, he got off. Played with him too much. Might took my worm. Nope. Sure did not. Yeah, I just played with him a little too much. life jacket on. What if we just take a rope and tie her to the back and just drag her along?
We should have got her
A little floaty? Like a inner tube?
yeah.
Just drag her along. There's the bridge. There's the bridge. Yep, it's on the other side. Alright, so we're coming into Munfordville now. So that was the trip from Rio to Munfordville. Right about 12 miles. Took us almost 4.5 hours to get from there to here. And so, wasn't bad. River was pretty quick at first, slowed down. But just wanted to make this simple little video from the trip. If you ever was curious kind of what the trip looks like from those 2 points. There you go. So anyways, if you like these videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.